Hello and welcome to Whiteland Restorations.
And another excuses video.
Yeah, we have got something far too exciting to do than the normal sort of wheels.
We promised
and stuff.
a wheel video on the Volvo.
Yes, so we're pushing that back because this
Yeah.
is far too cool. What's that behind the trees? Just arrived.
We're getting the E30 done. Lewis has been busy working for that. It's got to be ready by the 19th of
Yeah.
May. It is not ready yet.
You may notice that Moses is in this one.
He is.
He is.
Wow.
So we've got something for him. He doesn't know. We kept it completely quiet all day long.
I was late to work and I was like, oh
You're
my
late to
God, I've
work.
got to get into work. We've got to get into work. So exciting.
This
We
is a
had a
massive
little-
thank you to our friend Wyn Thomas.
Yeah, we had a little phone call from our friend Wyn Thomas. He is God plumber in the
Yeah.
region. He is amazing.
Insert photo.
But he phoned up Lewis and he said,
Got this thing.
got this thing. Would you be interested in it? You know? And Lewis was like, hell yeah, that would be brilliant for Mo. That would be.
So he dropped it off yesterday, rather farmery like.
Farmery as he does. He's also a farmer.
So let's kind of look.
Let's go and have a look. I
Let's go and
can't
have a
wait.
look.
I'm
Come
too
on.
excited. In true Welsh fashion, it is raining.
It's raining.
But we're gonna. Oh, there's some diesel on the floor there.
I don't know whose car that's come off.
It's not mine, is it?
I don't know.
Right, we're walking up the yard.
It's cold. I'm
exciting.
fending off a cold and I've had a tooth pulled out of my
Tooth pulled
face.
out. Oh look, here's my Beamer.
Daily.
Yeah, pulled over for the first time. Hold on, stay there, stay there.
Yeah.
What is it? Oh! Look at that!
Look at that.
Look at it.
It is. It is a Mark 1 MR2. Look, Rusty's excited.
Yeah.
But Mo, this is your parts car.
This is all yours, mate.
This is all yours.
It's all yours, the whole thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know what it is? It's got a good bonnet.
I need a good one,
You need a good bonnet. It's got a good boot. It's got a good. The plastic parts aren't rotten.
Oh, it's a...
It's got a sunroof. It's got a bit that says Toyota.
Yeah, look.
That's quite nice. That's... Oh, mine's all cracked on there.
Look, it's got rear lights.
That's quite nice.
It's got so many good bits on it.
Yeah, it's got real lights. I could tint those. I could have two.
So many
Two tint
spares.
one. That's cool. Oh, yeah.
But hopefully there's
Yeah,
some
way,
here
man.
to get yours running again. Proper.
No way, this is for me.
This is for you, man. I know it's an absolute piece of junk,
It's awesome.
but it's parts, man. You needed. How many engine components did you need recently?
a lot.
Yes.
I spent so
This
much
has
money.
got.
Has it got?
It's got an entire
It's got
engine
an engine.
and an airbox, which you were missing. I know it looks rough because it is.
It's literally been dragged out of a farmyard, but
You could pull that out
Out
and,
and put it-
build an engine and then put it into your car.
forged built engine.
What?
Wow.
I know it's
It's rough around the edges,
rough.
mate. This,
Rough around
it's
the
definitely not going back on the road, but
Oh,
but it's good for part. Look at that spoiler.
this
no, it's
door
got-
is
it's got some
remarkably
good parts
nice.
on the bike, that's all right.
And the door's good. Well, that door's good. This door's not good.
Well,
I mean,
the
look,
wiring loom is beautiful. Look at that.
look at the state.
Look at the wiring loom, Mo.
Oh my God! Look at the state of it. It's absolutely dead. Do
Excuse me,
Yeah.
the metal in there is lovely.
you reckon that would just?
No, Lewis.
Don't shoot it. Yeah, you know.
There's nothing left of the car.
The car is too far gone to save, but
Yeah.
the
by a
parts will
long
go
way.
on to help Mo's live another day.
I mean, that bend's pretty cool. You could put that on the other side of yours, so you can have a.
I could do.
Yeah.
Ooh, symmetry. Symmetry.
And it's got the same wheels your one had. Is that standard for an MR2 Mark
Yes,
1?
it is.
Yeah, but look at them. They're in really bloody good condition. They're just dirty.
If these are the original wheels for, this is a Mark 1B. The Mark 1A's had cool triangular ones, but these ones are cool.
That's a good bit to pick though, that bit there. don't think you'll have to unbolt that. You've got parts. I've got headlights that might work.
Oh, but yeah, I mean, it's got more blinkers. I've cracked a few bits here and there. I do need a new mirror. I love the sunroof ones. They're my favourite.
The seats are minging, but they're probably clean.
Oh, they're slightly different.
Yeah. It's missing so many
It
bits
is
and
mine is
bobs.
missing so many parts. When I got I bought mine already modified, missing quite a few bits. This is cool.
I don't know if there's anything in this bit. How do I get in there with the key? Just touch it, it just goes.
Oh, that was out of focus. Oh my god. Have you had your tetanus shots?
No, I'm actually past due one. Actually, yeah.
So many parts potential.
So cool. Even like all the little switches inside, I could use for other switches and things to keep it looking.
Stop.
Unfortunately,
to keep it looking stock. Yeah.
the things were missing.
The things were missing. Yeah, I noticed
Yeah.
those were different.
Windscreen's got a crack in it. That's the only.
Oh, it's knackered
unfortunate,
anyway. It's
yeah.
blown at the top.
Yeah,
Yeah, we're on the top. This one's.
but all the other glass is mint.
Yes, it is actually. Yes.
I like the fact you can see where the snails have been munching. Yum, 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 yum.
Yeah. No radio. That's fine.
But hopefully the engine.
Other little clips in there.
It might even have the toolkit in the boot if we got in the boot.
Oh, yes.
That'd be cool.
You just don't know what's in there. It could be a bag of cash. Oh, did you see that wing go then?
Is that drop because it's rotten or drop because somebody's hit it? Does it just lift up? No,
No.
drop because it's been stood on or something.
So green.
What's it smell like? Vanilla. It's very, very green.
It's very green. I'm afraid to touch it.
But it's got a centre
I
console.
love the sunroof ones. So much better.
I don't think there's any swapping it over because it's ruined at the front here.
Yeah, not going to swap that over. Let me get mine going.
Oh, Lewis, listen. Stop attacking the MR2. We're going to leave the MR2 in the field while we go inside and have a cup of tea.
Yeah,
It's a bit wet.
it's a bit wet.
Let's go.
Cool. Oh,
That was a good tea break then.
that was a good tea.
Very exciting.
So Mo is going to be using all the parts off that to fix up your red MR2.
Yes, I am.
And you're going to bring it round for us to have a look at, I think, in the
Yes,
summer.
yes,
We'll
we
do a car barbecue again.
Yeah.
You can be star of the barbecue.
You've got to get it back on the road, haven't you?
Yes, I am.
It's,
Yeah.
It was on
it's
the
a bit
road.
poorly.
That was my first car. My first ever car was a Mark 1 MR2. Drove it for 8 months. Started giving me a bit of hassle once I left it for a little while, and I'm trying to get it back on the road now. I've got my new Beamer.
Yeah, but
That's
you've
cool.
got to keep that MR2 going.
I've
so
got to keep the MR2 going.
there's bits and bobs that you can swipe off.
Yes,
that.
this
Yeah.
is going to be amazing.
It is.
I am,
And then Lewis can get a dustpan and brush
and sweep
and
the
put
rest
it
of
in the
it.
bucket.
Yeah, it's scattered its bits all over the field, isn't it?
So crispy.
So I don't think I've ever seen such a crispy car. That is not long going to be a car shape.
It was amazing. It came off the trailer in
Yeah.
one piece.
Yes.
It was.
Cool.
That was
right.
fun. You
That's
better
nice,
get back
short
on
video.
with this BMW.
Yeah, it's this close.
This close. I need to book the BMW and the Volvo in for an MOT so we can get to the Wheels for Wales show.
We're going on a date to the MOT station.
Yeah, MOT day. It's our anniversary tomorrow.
It
so,
is,
yeah, happy anniversary
Yeah.
for tomorrow. You can work on your car and I'll work on mine.
That sounds like
and
a
I'll
good
see you
idea.
at the MOT station. Right then, guys. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you again next time.
Yeah. Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.
Ciao.
I am. Wow. Thank you, Win Thomas.
Yeah.
How
Isn't
did
it
you
good?
guys keep this from me?
Well, very easy, weren't you?
Yeah.